2024. A very quick announcement to the media team. On the round right now we have Carl Flash Tundo, the journey of Vietnam edition of Mr. Fariban that we have from Yunnan. And definitely 2, 1, and off they go. That is Nicholas Yamin and Yannick Rocker in the Hyundai 120N, third of the round. 1, and off they go. Gus Smith and Jonas Anderson. Skoda for yes. I thought it was a horn.
You thought someone had stolen it?
Yeah. Mr. Jordan Sadaridis and Frederic Miklot, Ford World Rally team in the Rally 1 category. And up next is Gregoire. Julian Greg. It is. By Aaron. And on the stage now we have the very colorful Hyundai Shell Office World Rally team. Put your hands together for last round champion. That is SR.